Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing the outro to Down the River by Phoenix Foundation, and also I'm going to do the lead part with the rhythm part underneath. Okay, so starting with the outro, at the top of the sheet over the line we've got the names of the chords with the capo on the second fret. So with the capo on the second fret we're going to be playing G, D, E minor, B minor, A minor, D, and stopping on an E minor. Okay, now what I've gone for here is writing out the G twice. Basically our strum is all downs, so I count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have 8 downstrokes in it. Like that. Now you don't necessarily have to write this out. G, G, D, D, like that. I mean, you can just write G once. If you do decide to do that, you have to remember that it's going to add up to 16 downstrokes, so it'll sound like... So basically, that's 2 sets of 8, which is the way I've written it there. Or you can think of it as 1 set of 16. You can think of it as 2 counts of 4. This is just the way that I've decided to write it out. So it should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then change all the way through like that. Okay, and it will sound like this. I'll go a little bit slower than I was going just then. 1, 2, 3, 4. And change it to D. I'll go through that again just a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to play that through one time without the capo, for those of you who want to try it without the capo. The chord, the strum pattern is exactly the same, and the chords will be A, E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, B minor, E, and F sharp minor. So just to remind you, the C sharp minor is just this A minor shaped bar chord up on the 4th fret. F sharp minor is the E minor shaped bar chord on the 2nd fret. If it feels a bit ugly doing it like that, you can use this finger to support that one. There we go. Okay, so that should sound, that should sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay, so whichever way you do it, it's going to end up tacked on to the end of the song. So I'm going to do a run through the whole song. I'm going to do it pretty quick, I reckon, so you've got something to aim for when you practice. Okay. So I'm not going to bother with the actual structure for the song just yet. I'm going to do kind of a simplified version. So we're going to do verse, chorus, outro. And for the purposes of this practice structure, we're just going to have them all be basically the same length. So a verse is going to be 4 times through the verse progression, which is so it'll be 4 times through that, makes 1 verse. Then our chorus, which is from D to C. 4 times through that makes 1 chorus. So we're going to do 1 verse, 1 chorus, 1 verse, 1 chorus, and then we're going to do the outro that we've just learned. Okay, so put all together, it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, Cool, so that's the whole song. Don't worry if you can't do it all at that speed to start with, just go back to practicing your separate pieces and then slowly start putting them together after that. The other thing we have to do is a version of the lead part here, which goes... do that nice and slow and with a rhythm track like that behind it, so that you can see how it all fits together. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Happy strumming, and I'll see you next week.